So every Friday for close to 2 months now, I've been doing a segment, a Buy It or Build It segment, where I show you how to take used food containers, and instead of throwing them away, you can take them and reuse them for free to grow things in your garden. Now, in the previous segment, if you watched it, you noticed that I took this. This is the smallest that I have reused for my garden. And instead of transplanting these into the garden, which is what I intend to do, I decided to hold on a little longer to see how big they can grow and to show you guys how big they can grow. But the purpose of this video is to give you a preview of what's going to happen this Friday, because I'm going from the super small to the large. This is something that I have not seen on social media. I don't think it's been done before. So these are the containers that I'm going to reuse in Friday's video. You are probably not going to be able to guess what I'm going to do, or for that matter, even what I'm going to plant inside of these, but you'll find out in a few days. So I hope that you subscribe. I hope that you come back on Friday afternoon to be precise. Well, afternoon in the US and evening in the UK. So check me out and find out what's up my sleeve. I mean, you know what they say, go big or go home. I'm already home, so I'm going big. Catch you guys on Friday, and I'll reveal to you what I am doing with these two items.